Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once more. I have two items here. This is what I call alligator pepper or Afromomum meliguata. Then I have bitter cola. But before I proceed to the video, before I continue, I will ask you, have you subscribed to my channel? Please, if you've not done so, kindly hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to have updates whenever I post videos. Equally, should you find this video useful, like it, and drop some comments as I proceed. Thank you. Do you have normal blood pressure? If you do, avoid these two combination, because alligator pepper and bitter cola, when mixed together, if you chew them together, it has the capacity to increase your blood pressure. Let me just show you how the alligator pepper looks like. This is much I could pull out from here. I still have it more. I'm just bringing out the morsels of alligator pepper, the seeds. Look at them. This is what we have inside this. You have this in thousands. Look at it. Then let me show you how the bitter cola looks like. This is a bitter cola. Sorry, I'm using my fingers to peel it. I could equally use a knife. I'm just peeling it in a very simple way. I'll peel that off. This is how the bitter cola looks like after being peeled off. Take this away. This is the alligator pepper, the morsels of the alligator pepper. This is what I mean. You have the alligator pepper, and this is the alligator pepper and bitter cola. When you take these two combination, it has a potential, it has a capability of increasing your blood pressure. It has a capability to increase your blood pressure. So if you have normal or little slightly above normal blood pressure, you have to avoid this combination. You have to avoid this combination. So thank you. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification bell